The thing turn up out there.
Yeah, man, the thing turn up, you know. Because you don't know. We are the new dancehall icon on the scene, right? So you don't know. We've been doing it for over three and a half years now, right? So you don't know. And the people have gravitate to what thing and we though. That's why we even here right now, though. Give thanks and praise, though, each and every day. That must say, you know what God will say, right? Because from God in your heart, you must reach from you have a clean heart, right? And you don't know. We just take the thing to a different level. Because we're not normal. We head sick, right? That's why we name so sick, right? Now look, hear something here, it's not normal, you know some way me ear, right? You know me not plot, me not cane, right? Just low and pull out in my ear and no one can play in our ear, right?
Straight, so if like the people that want to go for holiday right now, which place are the party place for them go right now? Cause right now, I hear the people that talk about passa and them things there, you know.
Yeah, well I don't know, you know. Raving every night. Alright, it's London. I love London, right? Cause watch this now. I just one thing I love with London, the place them too far, my general. So it's like, me used to make 6 party for the night. 5 party for the night. Right? But over here we have to just kick it 1 party for the night or few party for the night. You understand? But right now, yard hot Mondays turn up, Bossy turn up, Giveaway Wednesday turn up, Weddy turn up, Big Up Father Paul straight. Yo, Alliance Thursday turn up, me fi tell you, Fresh Friday turn up till it buck. But remember, you know, December, I'm a ear-to-ear dance. So you don't know, because you know stay in them family is not just icon, fashion icon, right? You know we are promoter slash entertainer. You don't know, as well look at 6 early and the thing versatile. You understand? Because them don't know who can DJ to you know my general. So me I make them hear a little piece, right? I mean I'm so sick, you better know this. Stay them up, I mean it promote this. Y'all see me in the street and all a blow kiss. Fresh every day now we are roaches. Money in a pocket, you your clothes fit. Buy out the bar, some boy a swallow spit. Hey, freestyle, we style, hey.
No, so sick. Pull up that one there again, that one there sick. Let London hear that one there again. I swear, a freestyle.
Right now. I could it tomorrow, could it last week. Right now. Boom. I mean I'm so sick, you better know this. Stay them up, I we did promote this. Y'all see we in the street and all a blow kiss. Fresh every day now we are roaches. Money in a pocket, give you a clothes fit. Buy out the bar, some boy a swallow spit. In the street, me not take down this. Them for know enough, right?
So trust me. So as a ghetto youth right now, back home in Jamaica, many violence around you, and you choose a positive way. Right now, more you give London youngster them like a positive advice, like, you know, just something positive.
Sure.
Because you don't know where youth are growing at the struggle. I will say no to gun, no to night, and yes to life, right?
Right.
So let the youth them just give them a positive message right now, London youth them, because it don't stick you out there. Trust me, I swear.
Yeah, you don't know, you know, I just want all of the youth them and all of the young girls them, you don't know, just go and hold on the head high, you know, and keep on the head above the waters, right? And just know, say, from when I have God on the heart, and the heart clean, and not watch nobody, and just focus, meditate, on what I do, and where you want to go, and you must reach. One day, and you must reach. You don't see it, you don't know in my family. Yard full of beer, you understand? Good and bad. You understand? But you have to know if you skip around it. You understand? And don't make them dry out, right? Enough time them try, but them can't draw we out because we're not shoesless, right? You understand?
So sick!
Sick!
So because the fashion icon, trust me. And the fashion thing turn up right now.
Right
turn
now.
up in the studio right now.
Hear this.
Yo. Right now, yo.
Look 6 right now, yes.
Remember, you know, Clarendon Versace. Remember. Big up Andrew Fresh, you know. I'm a general, you know. Andrew Fresh and the whole Guinness team, you know. S-Lock Entertainment, right? That's our word, right? Stay in them entertainment, stay in them TV. And you can check out that on YouTube, right? And you can follow the female them, can follow. Go and follow me on Twitter, right? And go and holla, right? And that's how it works.
So, Kim British here, I'm going to say big up to my dancer, them now lose straight. My black team, Icon Zika, big up yourself, straight, you hear that? So you don't know, you know. I love you know. You don't know, you know. Stay in them and look at 16 at the building, you don't know. You tune in to Click Radio Station. You don't know, you listen to DJ Diamond. So you don't know, it's all good, you know. And do remember we send off party next week Tuesday, you hear that? In a budget Tuesday, and that turn up loud. You don't know that they're big stand. What the girl them a talk about. What the girl them a do them ear for and buy them clothes for. And the thugs them a save them money for come buy them NEC. And the girl them a come dash out them thing, you get me? So you don't know, you Lord. You don't know, I'm black and I'm proud, right? So I look at 6 in the building. As I say, I'm only making time. Tell all the thugs, and man, know we are fraud, brand clocks and looks. Step on the street with the thugs. Dealer said this year, I rather weed or just money making time. Tell all the thugs, and man, know we are fraud, brand clocks and looks. Step on the street with my thugs. Dealer said this year, I rather weed or just about house. It have to build on the hill higher heights. So they get so youth so much chill. They have to set a girl, them a bring in the kill. You don't know, you know, freestyle, turn up loud. So here is a DJ, turn it up loud and deaf it to the people them ears. And if them don't want to listen, Riverstone, bust them head side. So quick, less than 3 minutes. Loud, and I'm black and I'm proud. Right.
Right now. Young and old people do the dance like this. Tell you, I would have run quick. Popeye! Son, we are turning it up, man.
Trust me, Click Radio, turn up in the morning there. So catch local 6, send that party, you don't know, next week Tuesday. That's where I'm gonna be, Budget Tuesday, South London. Big up to Andrew Fresh, you know, the thing, turn up in the.
See that now? We that now, turn up the
okay, so next week Thursday also. You know, swap Thursday, next week Thursday. Everything turn up.
I don't know what to do.
Yo.
See that now? Are we that now?
Hear them up.
Diamond,
every girl will find one.
Right now, what's out the party in the edge? Stop now. Turn up. Saturday that turn up. And tomorrow that you know. You know, I'm come out train for that one day.
Like when yourself it's so easy to do. See this a style and you gotta pick and sue. Me and my friend and the guys set the crew. Take for ourselves from our day number 2. Take for ourselves we not rave with them. Now take
Yeah, man.
from the girl them. Yeah.
Staying them up, you know. You know, we are the real party radar.
Just we have to touch our like and the youth them up in the place. Check one,
Right now. DJ Diamond, steal them up, pain them. Diamond, every girl want to find one.
Pull up right now the studio, turn up.
Hey, remember, you know, when you just tune in, right?
Tell them so
When you just
later on right at the edge, right? Love Friday later on.
856.com. And we make the girl them come. Yo, that's our word, you know. Look more, you know which part of there? The edge. Love Friday, right? You know, say if you want to see SOOO 16 and look at 6, or you come out early, cause right now I start party from 12 o'clock. I want to offer 11:30, cause I yard me there. 11:30 the raving start. I don't give us a party, a rave. A rave, we are rave. Cause you know we not crave, right? Rave, we are rave. Diamond, every girl want to find one, right? Right now, turn it up. London. Look at 6. Give them it. Splice. Hey, look at 6. From we come to London, you know. The whole of London now what? Look for it. What them I do? Them I look for it, you know, but them can't find up on YouTube or Twitter, cause you know the thing go. Right?
Big up to Dana Backers right now. We see
right now.
Too sweet. We see the right. We got to Lady V, the TLC, we saw the 103, everything good. The studio turn up.
No.
Yo, big up to the caller, them, you know, straight, heart and love, right? Yo, big up East London, South London, West London. Yo, Yo, Plaza Crew. Yo, big up enough. Hilltop, Brixton Hill. Yo, money. Saka. Whole Cockburn Pen, Painland. Right? You know the thing them strain on. Kingston 20. Right? Covan, World Boss.
Big up to Lady Breast right now, Lord. Lady Breast.
You see that now? Lady Breast. You think large. You see that? And with that.
No, I'm not gonna lie. Hotline in there, but here I know. We soon take the call them. Hear that?
Yeah, right now. We soon take them. Not later, not tomorrow. Right now. Nalo, big up in the youth. You see them dance at the Nalo. And them show straight love from a rich London. And them take around and show the whole of London and show all London nice. All of the shopping mall them, all of the plaza them, all of the club them. Yo, them youth, they are real youth. Big up Nalo, straight. Sussex said that. Right? You know whatever right in a car, nothing ever wrong. Right, Diamond? Mikey and the management team, the thing turn up, the thing large. Right now, everybody at top, oh no. Kingston me come from, you know. 20 Park me come from, you know. Yo, Jabados. What? Hey. How for that part here, I'm gonna say Jabados. Hey, Lady Ann, them say I'm the tightest woman in England, but me no know. I one way for me find out, right? You know me never wrong some morning, right?
Peace and light, I'm Erica Bud.
Right now. Yo, DJ Blacks, right? Go and relax, cause you don't know you're the boss. For the girl them now, right? Hey, remember now. Liquid, are you ever girl that stick with? Hey, Sexy K, me see her ring off my phone, you know. Oh gosh, man, baby girl. Just go and stay alive. Me soon take your call, right? Carry too sweet. Oh my God. You know, you look sweet. Now you know we don't eat, so we don't know if you. Hey, you look sweet. Carry too sweet. Pick up yourself. Stay in them. Right? Hey, look a mystic. Right now. You move like bombastic, right? Yo, Saturday night on the come on, turn on, loud. Oh, but wait. Remember. Swag Thursday, Club 516. Yo, sorry, Lucas 6. You know that day I'm a boss. I'm here at tour 1 month straight. My Ben, my vex, I'm if I tell you. But no say a word, you send that party to turn up. Fridge bar, budget Tuesday, Andrew Fresh, Stay Large, One Large Guinness Crew, right? S-Lap Entertainment.
Over this, so we had the Tuesday night, I swear. Budget Tuesday, turn up Tuesday night, I swear.
And the following Thursday. Swag Thursday. Sussex send-off party, right? Check on the Facebook and BB for more info, car. The flyer will come out soon. So now to see it live.
So trust me, if you want to see the launch of them live in living color, you don't know the edge later on. And you don't know tomorrow night the edge also. Big up to Clarendon Versace. You don't know your party turn up, right? So ladies, never again, big up to Sexy Winsome. Me see you, girl.
Winsome, steering them, out of love, straight. Yo, listen to that one here for the ladies them. The ladies say them can't do without me, right, Diamond?
You see it.
Hey, Diamond, remember now, when the girl them hear Diamond, every girl want to find one. My God.
Straight.
Bacchus, oh gosh, give me a Bacchus right now. Yo, right now, Dana Bacchus, the thing turn up, the thing stand up, right now, live, Lady V, oh Oh gosh, baby. Lady V, right now. Yo, I love the calling. Everybody are calling. Come like, hey, right now me a sweat. Yo, the studio hot till it burn up. Right till it burn up. Yo, big up Dujan sister, you know. My real general Dujan from straight from the yard. Dujan sister. That's our word. Jody. That's our word. Big up yourself. Last night me see you at the club. Not even know saw you. But that's our word. Big up yourself. You think large. Right? Pooch it. That's our word. You think turn up. Big up the twin them in England, you know, right? But we come away and never rave the place. Oh gosh, no. Oh gosh. What is coming in the morning now? Hello. Yes, baby girl. Nothing wrong if me know the tightness. Yes, baby girl. I will surely find out. Yeah, we're just keeping it. Yeah, you know what I mean? London turn up. We're just enjoying yourself on our vibes. Okay, alright. Give thanks to the call and the support and the strength. Just know, say. Well, anytime you come Jamaica, just know, say you're raving with Stain Them family. Sussex Stain. Kingston, Jamaica, you know Kingston where the sun is hot. Kingston pretty but it hot, you know. I'm if you tell you no. Kingston pretty but it hot. Hot.
Yeah, you hear me?
Alright, no problem. Big up yourself. Thanks for the calling. Art of love. Man. Yo, Jiggy! Man! You know Jiggy show straight love from the heart, though. So when we come abroad, we have a big her up straight. Jiggy! That's our word.
Every summer, every radio station, black girl, white girl, every nation.
Right now we tune into the body station. Trick station, I rule the nation. Hey, them for know. Call me a real Jamaican. Call me a real Jamaican. Yo, big up Stella Gina, him say yardy, right? But me say Jamaican. Call me a real Jamaican. When me come to London, hustling that my plan. To go back to my land, make enough money and go back to my land, right? Call me a real Jamaican.
So sick! Yeah, you hear me? Everybody want to run the summer. You know, some ask me, I don't
You hear that now? Talking British here.
Call the hotel to get my reservation for my final destination.
And do remember, you know, England alone with the Sussex dance, hear that?
Every summer, every station.
And Sussex new dance name So Chilly.
London.
And I want to turn up loud in London, right? I mean, I say big up to the taxi driver them. We're tuning into Click Radio Station. Big up to everybody right home right now. We're tuning on a show, Look 6 and Soul City support. And next week, you don't know, budget tunes that turn up loud, right? I mean, say big up to Sexy K, everything alright. See your phone call, everything good.
Right now the station price is
Lord Dennis, Angie Fresh Kid. Yo, Lizard.
not a British.
Not a British.
Extra
Entertainment,
entertainment.
hear that? Plaza, big up to money, my dad, hear that? Amma needs to sing, hey! Amma. Big up to the sexy girl in the UK, hear that? Sophia K, the large. Jiggy, big up to the twin them. When it's a budget chooser, loud. Look at 6 under 40, hear that? And this Saturday, Versace party that turn up loud. You see that now? Are we that now? Man. I don't know, so 16.
Trust me, London, the studio turn up right now. I swear.
Yo, the studio right.
Turn up!
This Junior fried till it burn up. Crispy, 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 crispy. Fried till it burn up, you know. Right? Yo, them say them a hotter skull. Them say them a hot skull, but we are hotter skull. Cause we not fire catapult, right? Yo, you don't know that little catapult something there? You don't know what name catapult? Slingshot. In yard we call it slingshot. Catapult, right? Right now you're tuning into the baddest, the maddest, the baddest, the maddest radio station right now. Click! So when time you tune in, you just click! Click! And all of the hot chick, and you just click! DJ Diamond, every girl want to find one. Yo, Diamond, John was me never. Diamond, me never know I say so bad. No, you're bad, no, hey. At the airway with that pan, we can't say nothing wrong. You're bad, you. Diamond, every girl want to find one. Carry too sweet, we still see her call. Now worry yourself, baby girl, I soon take your call, right? You know we keep it staining. You know we say stain the P them, right? At the airway of this stepper, we can't say it all. So stain the P-U-S-S-Y. D-E-M them, stain the P them, right? You know so 16 day alive, right in the building.
I did some radio, right? So you don't know, we have to keep it clean. So that's why I hear the artist. Artist, the entertainer, you don't know if I keep it clean, so you have to spell it out, right?
right now. Look at see. Right. I'm here to DJ Juba. Right now, now listen to her, being the man, right? So you don't know anything for them in the car, end up on the highway, and you cruise go to the shop, or the mall, I go look for your girlfriend and your husband and pick up the son from school. So you don't know enough. You tune into her, click radio station. So just relax, cause everything alright. Big up DJ Black, see that?
Junkin Master.
DJ Diamond. Who this? Future Fumble. Drinking. Anything in our cup. Red Bull.
I'm drinking
Rock. Alright then. Jai. Ladies and men, oh gosh, baby. I see you calling, baby. Ring off my Blackberry. I'm me to tell you. Oh God, me remember Kerry, right? Yo, 6. When Bumbo said drinking rum and Red Bull, you know see the Red Bull over here. You know see how the Red Bull back to them turn up. Look at me say, oh gosh, baby. When me done with it, you turn big missy, right?
Them want to get awful like them on the
them up.
get grapple.
Diamond.
And Red Bull.
Every girl want to find one.
Them want to get awful like
Yes, I love my friend them, right? You know my real friend them, Stan Gabri, right? Jermaine, the whole Kingston 20, Charlotte, Brook Valley, Nuevo, Calalubed, Riverton, yo, Cockburn Pen, Finch Crescent, Canary, right? Pienland, 35 lane, 33 lane, Mox Hill, the whole 13, Rodney Road, Whitfield, Spanish Town.
Hold on, so sick. I'm a place I just called for you, some Maxwell, Rodney Road.
No, I'm a place.
Kingston 13.
A Kingston 13, my born. I'm through a Kingston 20. And what I say? 4 Rodney Road, I'm if to tell you. I'm if to tell you.
No.
When you say Rodney Road, you say Melcalf Road, you say Whitfield,
You say Alexander
you say
Road.
Zander,
Yeah.
you say Fitzgerald,
Yeah.
you say Russell Road,
Yeah.
you say Arleys Road, right? The whole 13, right?
Turn up.
12, 11, 13. Hey, Chinese Cemetery come straight back up. I want to tell you about the dumpling shop. You know about the dumpling shop, right?
Yes,
Oh
yes.
my gosh. People in London if you know about dumpling shop. And me if you tell you, from when you come a yard, you don't have to know dumpling shop. From when you are rave. Cause every night after rave, the dumpling shop will find it. And that's the spot. Right? Yo, the studio turn up, the studio buck, the studio turn up. Don't know backers. Just go and wait, baby girl. Just go and wait. Your time soon come up. Right, babes? Right now. Fire come in. Fresh. Pink passion. Oh gosh, yeah. No, a passion. Pink passion. Right? So when you see stain them, you know it's fashion. Right? Right now. Go to tomorrow, go to next week, right now. Remember, Pink Fashion Day, right? The first anniversary. Saturday, October, the first, right? This our bar, Leaford, so you don't know, everything good. I remember, my general, Versace, Clarendon Versace, right? Your thing a look more tomorrow. Turn up. London, on the thing, when you see swag, come out tomorrow on the seat. Come out tomorrow and see it. And I see how I just stand up on my feet and make my fashion speak. Right? So you don't know, so 16 there, stand up on your feet and make your fashion speak. Right? Because from your start, you don't have to speak. You just say fashion speak. Right? You know we're just having fun. And I go and do the work, put it in daily.
Big up to
Simon.
Jennifer right now. I see you, girl. Sexy Jennifer, I see you. Now, big up the people them right now. I know you're not sell out your friend, you know. You're not sell out your friend right now. Sexy kid.
Yo, Katie, I see you.
Lady Charmaine.
Sapphire, I see you. Lady Charmaine, I see you again. Oh gosh.
What the girl ever not sell out them friend right now? So sick is here.
What's that?
Them. Little six is here.
Me and my friends now walking in Hennessy. Come my friends they know we no free bad energy. Cargo rise make menacing.
We are one of the five from the station.
So me keep my friend them close.
6. London no see this regular. London no see this often. Once in a blue. Right? London no get this often 6. So when we get them opportunity, we have to just give them some praise and big up Diamond for the strength and the love we must show her right now as we speak. Right now. Big up for the strength. Diamond, every girl want find one. Diamond, every girl want find one, right?
Yes, and you. No sell out my friend them one day them say
Same.
or if them a
Free me.
show you where
Me name.
or if them stick around only just be the same. Me friends me a ask you if we can trust you know.
Yo, DJ Dubsy. Oh gosh.
Like how them go garnet, wipe it out when them planet. Evil people a trap on we planet. Send them we no wanna sleep none a planet. When we see our friends
DJ Dubsy. You know what I be? I always a luxury. Right?
Them no want if it not follow my friend them one day them say the same.
Hey, it's that one, yeah? And the higher tier than Zamunda. Coming to you. In a them a time here, right? In a long Juba. Oh gosh, I'm a world boss. Juba, every Wednesday, turn up, fish fry. Turn, right? Up. The fish them bad no. BBC, right? We'll just find the definition of that. BBC. We must hear about it. Juba, right now. Turn up. Energy. Right now, give thanks and praise to the Most High. Me then in London. You have to put Father God first, right? Cause it could have worse. We could have driven in the back of earth. But not, right? We're there alive. So big up Juba. Straight energy. I him give us strength last night and move it on. So you don't know, we show we respect while respect Joe. And that's why staying them reach so far, you know, my friend. Real talk, cause we are real people and we are clean. We support everybody thing, whether good or bad, right? We support everybody thing, whether them are pre we are not. We still let them thing and stand up in them face, so dry eye.
So big up
So the
to
new
DJ
talk,
Juba.
dry eye.
Big up to DJ Juba right now. Big up yourself, my dudes. You don't know a global family. We said to the world that you're locked in, so big up yourself right now. Big up the full global family right now. You don't know, we have about 5 minutes to leave. And you don't know, Thugs are there in the building. So
Magic J, man.
Magic J. So big up yourself, Magic J.
Right now.
Magic
J, right now. Magic J, nobody pre-diamond, everything right. Diamond, every girl want to find one.
In a day time, your man kind of harder than them, harder than them. In a day time, your man kind of.
Daniel, look how London nice, man. Look how London sweet, man. Them say the best time this will come, though, because London is get colder than now, but we love the sun. The sun nice. Hey, hold on. Diamond, come stop this thing. Come stop this thing, Diamond. Let me tell you now. Right now. Could later. I can't wait for later. I can't wait for tomorrow. Let me tell you.
Right now.
You see, if somebody tell you, say, you're a switcher and you change like London weather, oh gosh, man. Oh gosh. Anybody tell you say you change like London weather, remember, I yourself are change your dirty ways. Right now. Cause London the weather change like every time you blink your eye.
Every given time.
Any given time. So you have to come out prepared. Right? For the weather. So you know that little jacket something there. If the sun come out, you just left it in the car. Until it come out back again and you just chuck in and hey, me not left my gloves in, watch out. My gloves up. Me every time gloves up. I'm a jacket up. I London me there. Keeping it foreign. Yeah, me not have to talk English and go like me a British. Cause me a Yardie, me a Jamaican. Big up Stylo G straight. Love the work where you put in you. Go and do it. Shabba Cartel, right?
Mad. Loud. Turn up. You hear that now? How we that now? Look at 6 on stage. Turn up. Click radio station. Click. DJ Diamond. Loud. Video stagger. Hear me now, girl, and dash out the ball. Hear me now? Loud. Yeah, video room. Let's see that now. Hear me now?
Big up to Lady
Hear me now? Keep the calling. I don't know. My phone, me see you calling on. Right? Secure that everything good enough. Everything loud. Big up to the twin them, hear that? I don't know. Big up to Jiggy. Yeah. Big up to the sexy girl in my tuning. Big up to the tongues them. Hear that? Big up to the youth them out there on the street where I want it. Hear that? I don't know. But in London, but I'm afraid that everything can happen at any given time. Hear that? Loud. In a them.
Big up to the Dagenham ladies right now.
I mean, I say big up to Peachy, big up Lady G, hear that? Lady P, right? I hear me now. Big up to my dancer, them in a Nalu dancers, hear that? Loud. Big up to my dancer, touch, loud. Hear me now? Big up to Gaza crew, loud, Plaza, loud. Big up to Money, loud, Andrew.